ready to go on vacation? Or a trip? A long trip? Pull this camper across the country? Yeah? Alright, let's do it. On the road again. Stop 2. Dogs gotta go pee. Somewhere in Iowa. Flying J. Right the gas. We got one heck of a headwind, hitting 5 miles to the gallon. Yeah. I wonder if that wind's getting picked up on this, but look at your hair. It is windy. Super windy. Truck stop garbage. Super windy, mama. What you doing there, killer? Yeah. Getting food?
Yeah.
Enough food?
I guess I'm just gonna get treats.
Nice. Clowns. 2 clowns.
Fell off backwards.
It's like riding a bucking bronco. Isn't it so pretty? Here's how cold it was last night. You can see it on the hood, the frost. 28 degrees last night in Iowa. Right on the border, Missouri, Iowa. Alright, ready to go?
So we're going to keep track each day of what our, how much we spent gas, where we stayed.
So we're going back to the highway.
35.
Go back to 35. And then we'll drop down on, yeah, we won't even go to, or we'll go to Joplin then.
These humans are cold.
Yeah, I'll have to look at my map because.
So this one was, let's see if I can miss that pole. Oh, that's tight.
Well, you didn't take it very wide.
Oh, you don't, you get mad. Look at the drop off over there. If I get too close. Here, at 28 degrees last night, a guy stayed in this thing. 28 degrees and he stayed in that. Must be hunters. Came in at 8 o'clock last night and left at 6:20 this morning.
Die hurts.
Crazy. I'm not doing that.
This thing might be heavy, but it's light.
Might be heavy. Ain't bad. 9 Eagles Campground, right? Somewhere southern Illinois. No,
Yep.
southern Iowa.
Iowa, Missouri.
Missouri. Might need my sunglasses sooner than I thought, I guess. And it's all blacktopped. It's really nice, but not really. So can I tell my story about last night? My
Scary story?
my scary story of my guy coming, had to unlock a car last night. I guess that really is the story. I had to break into a car last night for a guy. Locked himself out of the car. He's gonna take a shower, which showers were shut down, so it didn't make any difference. But
Oh my god, what are you doing?
I turned around. We got his car unlocked. I turned around and I said, "So are the showers even open?" He goes, "Well, I don't know. I didn't check that." And I walked over to him. There was a note hanging on one of them. So I walked over to it and I grabbed the door. Park ranger's there. So I grabbed the door and it was locked. You could see the deadbolt was locked. I said, "Oh, they're locked anyway." Really? They're locked? I already paid my $6. Oh dear. Another one up there. I already paid my $6.
There's other shower hoses, isn't there?
I don't know. And he's like, "Well, I guess I can't get my $6 back."
Oh.
Because he put it in that metal container that's locked. So I can't get my $6 back. And I'm pretty sure he was living in his car.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm pretty sure he probably didn't have a lot.
Oh, I'm sorry. That bit down using
Pretty sure he wasn't a millionaire. Okay. Dale Miller Road. Huh.
Ollie! Is Miller's named after a road?
Look at this. Campfire wood. Oh, Nine Eagles Road too. That's what it's called.
What is
Nine
that
Eagles
thing?
State Park.
I didn't notice that building.
That big blue thing.
That's a igloo.
Ugh!
An igloo.
It's a, what is it?
Igloo.
It's a beluga.
It's not what it is.
It's not an igloo. It's a dome house.
A dome home.
A dome home.
I want to live in it.
It's Eagle Feather Ranch.
It's like it could use some.
Pick it up.
It needs some work.
It's questy. Yeah, it's dusty.
Day 2, and I still did not pull my mirrors out.
Yep.
Every gas station on the way down, she said, pull your mirrors out, and I didn't. We get to the campground last night, and I still didn't pull my mirrors out. Okay. Find us wherever you find us.